Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Kirk.Blair. I'm going to show you this Wildwood X Lite. It's a bunkhouse. It's a 19 bunkhouse, 19 in size. It is a 2013. This is actually a pre-owned piece of inventory for us here, and it's a sweet little bunkhouse. It's not very heavy. It's going to be small, but we'll go ahead and I'll show you around some features on it while we're outside here. Storage area that goes up underneath the bed. This has a little bit of a different layout inside. The bed is kind of a front bed. Almost a corner bed. There is some foot room on it though to be able to climb in there. So let's make our way around this side here and we'll check out the awning and some other stuff. So it does have an awning over on this side. It is a manual awning. It is a 2013, so it's not brand new. It is very clean and very nice inside though. So when you come in, you notice right as you enter you have your kitchen. Nice counter space for a shorter trailer as well. Your fridge is down here down low. And a little icebox area here, so kind of have all your essentials taken care of as far as the fridge goes. Sink, stove, microwave. There's actually some storage in the kitchen, which is always good. A nice pantry as far as storage goes. I'll trade you spots there. So we have pantry storage. And then in the back of this unit is the bathroom. You see it's a decent spacious sized bathroom for a little trailer. Again, this is a really lightweight small trailer with some big nice features in it. And it is a bunkhouse. So here to the right of the bathroom you see the bunks. You're going to have dual sleeping area here or just gear. You know, you don't always have to have bunks for people. A lot of hunters and whatnot, archery and any of that kind of stuff, a place to put your bows. So this here also makes into a bed, nice booth dinette, your entertainment center there, your radio, DVD player. You have your front bed. That's why I was saying it's kind of an interesting layout because it has this area here that you can move up into to be able to crawl in and out of bed. So it's not a full corner bed. Some of them aren't that accessible. This unit and anything here at Guaranty, I'm happy to show you. My name is Kirk.Blair. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Please call or ask for me. I appreciate it so much. Have a great day. Bye.